this, guys? Let's see the surprise. Let's remove this one and pull this one. Look, guys. Ta-da! There's instructions. Let's build it. Let's do this. This is a seahorse, guys. See? Where you can see a seahorse is in the sea or oceans. Let's put it there. So, let's open another one. Okay. That there we go. Here. You get the red over there. White, then pull it, and you see, oh, it's a mermaid. I guess it. It's a mermaid. Wow. It is. I think it's, let's see here. Then we are gonna put this clip there. It's just like that. I don't have any bottom. See? Oh, a mermaid and the seahorse. Let's open another surprise. And where you can see a mermaid is in the sea or river again. I think this is sea creatures. Okay, let's open another one. This one. See what's inside. What's this? Oh, it's kind of a ring, but see, guys, there's a pearl inside. What's it stick? See? There's a heart. Inside there is kind of a flower, and the pearl is the middle. I'll put it here. Ta-da! Oh, it matches my necklace, guys. And you can see it from sea or oceans again. Let's open another one. It's so nice surprise. I know now. I think it's gonna be another sea creatures or things. Whoa. I think this is a turtle. Where's the head? Anything else? No. What's this? Ah, there's a head. Put it. Oh, it's a turtle, guys. You can see it in the sea or ocean again. Let's put it to the mermaid tub. So, guys, I like the surprises from the sea creatures. Okay, let's open another one. What is this? Oh my! This. Oh, it's a crab, I think. Yes, it's a crab. Let's see how to build this one. This crab. Oh, guys, I know some songs, and look at the crab in their home. I know there's a Little Mermaid song. Under the sea, he sings. Watch the Little Mermaid, guys. It's so nice. Okay, let's see and count how many surprises do we have. Okay, one crab and one mermaid with this one. And then a turtle swimming in the sea. And a seahorse, orange seahorse. And my ring, pearl ring. Ta-da! So guys, I'm so happy for my toys right now here. And you can buy some too, and there is fun and exciting toys inside. Look, I can play this. The seahorse say hi to the mermaid. Okay guys, let's play with our toys. The orange seahorse say hi to the mermaid, and the mermaid say hi, my sea friend. And the turtle go to the crab, and they talk and play. And you know, guys, it's fun to play with your toys. The mermaid will swim now into the big, deep blue sea. The best part, guys, is to open the other half. But let's see what's inside. I'm so excited what shall be inside. Here we open it. Chocolate, guys. Let's taste it. I have a spoon. I smell it. Here it is. Wow. Wow. Crunchy and yummy. That's the of my toy. There's a Little Mermaid and seahorse. Turtle and a crab. Let's eat some more. Those are yummy. It's a chocolate white and a brown chocolate. It's so yummy mixed together. So yummy. Okay guys, that's it for today. And I'm so happy. So, bye guys. If you like my video, click the thumbs up and subscribe to never taste this in my life. It's so yummy. I never taste it. It's so yummy. I can eat it the whole day.